Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some 2021 Hot Wheels Loopsters. These are like roller coaster cars with a special feature, and these have two different variations, the hands up and the hands down. So today I have two different variations here. The second color for 2021 was not able to score the pink ones, but I got the green ones. I got both variations of the Loopster, and these are supposed to connect to each other. This is from the 2021 Experimotors series, number 6 of 10, number 53 of 250 for 2021. And these are on international packaging. However, I know these came out in around the K case. So, without further ado, I'm going to get this one open. This is the hands down. And then the hands up would be right here. And let's just take a close look at it. So, oh yeah, the top, forgot. I keep forgetting, the top is all plastic. Let's just see how the wheels spin. And the wheels spin well. It's got a metal base and die-cast base. So that was the hands up. This is the hands down. I'll have to race these sometime. These definitely go good in racing. The wheels don't spin as well on this one. You can see these were made at the same time. P08 is the base code. They aren't too heavy, but they're definitely pretty cool. And I don't want to break that. It's pretty bendable plastic, but I'm just going to give you a close look at them first. Hands up, we'll take a nice look. Beautiful lime green color on it, and it's got a nice loop right here, black loop with yellow tampos, and it's got a spare tire right there that does not roll, but these are open hole 5-spoke wheels. It's got a chrome stripe around them, and it says Loopster right there with some green, light green striping, and some interesting loops and designs. The passengers are purple. This one has his hands up, which is, they're kind of flexible plastic. I'm not going to force them, but this person with the hands up defines the entire car as a hands up Loopster. And this has the thing right here that is plastic that connects to other Loopsters, and you can race these and play with them together, and they'll stick together, hopefully. And here's a nice look at it. Nice roller coaster. That's what it's based off of. Probably like an amusement park vehicle, I would imagine. Plastic on the top, and a blue die-cast base. Pretty cool. Alright. And there's really no difference on the hands down. Really no difference, but this guy has his hands down instead of up. And this is a known variation. And let's see how these go together. Okay, so I'm going to try not to break them. Pretty sure it just goes in like that. It snaps right in. And there you go. They're never coming out. I'm just kidding. But there you go. Yeah, these, see, it just stays together, so you can play with these on the track or elsewhere. Drift them, you know, drift them on long floor. That'd be pretty cool. I might have to try that, actually. But thank you for tuning into Sam's Diecast Showroom. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.